Hey everybody, scifiwb here, and I'm going to do another video. Now, I want to do something every month other than my monthly pickups video. So I decided I'll do some reviews. Now, I didn't want to do video game reviews because a lot of people out there do video game reviews, and that's good. We need those reviews. We need to find out which ones are good, which ones are bad, what you guys out there think of them. So I want to do something a little bit different, and I thought something nobody's been doing right now, and that's controller reviews. I mean, you can't play a video game without the controller, right? So this will be my first controller review. Thank you. Okay, so the first controller I'm going to talk about is the Atari 2600 Joystick. Now this was a great joystick, great controller for its time. Yeah. It was in 1977. It came with the Atari Video Computer System, or the VCS, and it actually, what was really remarkable, the VCS actually came with two of these, plus, oh, no, I can't remember. Plus another controller, which was the paddles, and I'll talk about them maybe later on, but we're going to focus on the joystick. Now, as you can see, very simple. It has one little joystick and one button, and of course the cord. Now, one of the things that I really like is it's nice and small. The button is at a good spot. Also, as you can see, the thing covering the stick is actually rubber, and it feels very comfortable in the hands. See? So this was, in its day, a remarkable piece. The cord usually was about 3 to 4 feet long. This one is, I measured 3 feet 10 inches, and it was a 9-pin. I don't know if you could see that. So yeah, this could also be hooked up to the Sega Genesis, since they use the same controller port, but it probably wouldn't work the same way. Now, when you were a kid, you grabbed the entire thing and you play with that, because you're a kid. That's about as good as you could. You had smaller hands. Now that you're an adult, you can do this. But yeah, not much I can say. So yeah, please comment if you like what I've this review. Please let me know in the comment section. Even tell me what I need to work on. Please like it, and please subscribe. Thank you, and this is scifiwb saying take care and play on.